Ngayong 2025, I will focus on self-care. I will focus on self-improvement. I will focus on self-love. Kasi goal ko yun ng 2024. Ano nangyari? Di ba? Pero ilalaban natin yan, Mi. Ilalaban natin yan, Mi. Kasi naniniwala ko na bilang isang service provider, you are the product. And pag ang product ay nasira, wala na. Wala na rin ang business. No? Hindi na rin i-consume ng mga kliyente. No? So, self-care above everything else, and then of course the rest will follow. One specific goal, nothing really big, pero to be able to travel to more international destination nang hindi sumasakit ang ating bulsa. I wanna go to Australia, I wanna go to Bali, I wanna go to many places this 2025, and of course yung mga local, yung mga domestic destinations too.